friends, it's Mr. Friday, and today we are going to add a new map to the car. Let's see. So after my trip to California, I went to the dyno, as you saw. I went to the dyno, not a lot of power, which was fine. I knew I wasn't gonna have much difference from the last time I dynoed, which was 269 horsepower, 258 or so, 250 foot-pounds of torque. This time around was 270 horsepower with 278 torque. Very rich at the top end. So I sent my logs to Rich or my tuner, and he made some adjustments. He made some timing changes. So here we are. We're gonna be putting in a new map, and let me show you what we're doing. Laptop. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Let's go ahead and put in the key. At least like that. Alright, here we are. Link ECU. Let's connect it to the computer. Let's go ahead and open up the other file. Yep. And store it on. See if there's a difference, just a little bit. A couple of degrees in timing has changed at the top end. See it? A couple of degrees, not much, but remember, we're still trying to make this as reliable as you can. So let's start up. Let the car warm up and let us start a log. Alright, so I'm gonna mount you up, let the car warm up, and my first reaction to the new tune. So hang tight, relax, and we'll get the car warmed up. Alright, looks like we are kind of warmed up. Turn back the log on, and it's somewhat warm, so let's go ahead drive it a little bit, hear things out, and do a little pull. In the meantime, enjoy the turbo noises, right? Sounds good. Still boosts weather here in Vegas. Oh, I don't even have my phone. Uh-oh, if we break down, we're in trouble. At least I got my wallet. Oh no, oh no. Cop right there. second, third gear pull. Let's make sure our steering wheel's straight. Feels very linear. Everything feels very smooth. Not a big kick, not a big hard turbo kick. Wheel spins happening. Alright, I just did a little bit of trimming back on the fuel. Super rich still at the top. Let's see what we do here. Still extremely rich. But tons of wheel spin, second gear. Let's try that. Last pull. Should be getting closer to where we need to be. And then we'll just call it from there. Parking it, cooling it down. Felt better. Well, there's a truck in front of me, so yeah. Well, on that last pull I did, I blew a vacuum line. Feel it. I'm pretty sure it's my brake booster because my brakes are super hard. So let's go ahead and bring it back in, park it. That is the brake booster vacuum line. That was flopping around there. It ripped it. Look at that. Too much boost. It ripped it. You see it? That's what happened. Too much boost. Ripped it off. And let's go ahead and cut that. Put it back on. She'll be running great again. Sending the... I'll be sending the logs right now to Rich, and that should be it. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the turbo noises, because I sure do all the time. So until next time. Take me to Neverland.